I'm Stephen. I'm from LRM Products and we sell VersEseal, which is a waterproof coating. VersEseal is fantastic for tradies, one-man band plumbers and roofers, all the way up to massive maintenance companies running mines. The reason it's so fantastic to use is it's really fast and easy, and you know you're not coming back to that project to reapply or try again.
Just never had a callback on it. The product's just faultless.
One of the little known applications for VersEseal is it's actually a fantastic adhesive and will more often than not outperform super glue.
I would recommend VersEseal to anybody who asks me what products do I use. VersEseal is always number one.